Hello and welcome back everyone. Welcome to Shobhik Biology tutorial, and in this video I am talking about most updated GK question answer on novel coronavirus COVID-19. First we have to know the full form of COVID-19, that means coronavirus disease 2019. I am again repeating this, coronavirus disease 2019. And the causative agent of COVID-19, this is another question, which is SARS-CoV-2, that means severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus strain 2. I am again repeating this, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus strain 2, right? First question, which organization named COVID-19? This is WHO. That means World Health Organization named COVID-19. Okay. Second question, most recent global pandemic disease. Okay. This is COVID-19. That means coronavirus disease 2019, right? These are the questions very important for upcoming competitive exams like railway, bank, SSC, PSC. Okay. Next question, previous name of COVID-19. Previous name of COVID-19 is 2019 novel coronavirus. 2019 novel coronavirus. Okay. Previous name of COVID-19 is 2019 novel coronavirus. On next question, on which day COVID-19 name came first? Previously, it is known as 2019 novel coronavirus. Next, COVID-19. On which day COVID-19 name came first? This is 11th February. This is 11th February 2020. You have to remember this date. This is very important. And next question, on which day COVID-19 is declared as global pandemic? Just after 1 month. Okay. This is the answer, 11th February 2020. COVID-19 name came first to us. And next question, COVID-19 is declared as global pandemic by World Health Organization on 11th March 2020. Okay, 11th March 2020, COVID-19 is declared as global pandemic. Next question, corona is taken from which language? Corona is taken from Latin language. Okay, Latin language. From Latin language, corona is taken. What is the meaning of corona? Corona means crown. If you see the structure, this is the virus, under this is the single stranded RNA, and these are the crown like structure, so called corona. Okay. Next question, what are the most common symptoms of COVID-19? This is very important. Fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath. Shortness of breath. These are the most common symptoms. Okay, most common symptoms of fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath. These are the most common symptoms. There are many symptoms besides this, but these are the most common symptoms. I have already uploaded the detailed video in which I have told the symptoms of COVID-19. There are many symptoms, but these are the most common symptoms. Okay. If you want to see the lecture, I'll give the link in the description in detail, the symptoms of COVID-19. Next question, who are more vulnerable of COVID-19? Mostly elder persons, mostly elders, and those who have pre-existing medical conditions. Okay, pre-existing medical conditions like diabetes, hypertension, that means high blood pressure, any kind of lung disease, heart disease, cancer. Okay, so these are more vulnerable of COVID-19. Next question, what is the incubation period of COVID-19? I have already uploaded a video, what is incubation period and what is the incubation period of COVID-19. Mostly 5 to 7 days. Okay, actually this may vary, right? 7 to 14 days. Okay, 7 to 14 days, it is the probable incubation period. Okay, not 5 to 7, this is 7 to 14 days, but I am again repeating this, it is variable, because in some cases after 22 days symptoms appear, right? So it may vary, but according to the data, 7 to 14 days is the approximate incubation period of COVID-19. Next question, name the family of novel coronavirus. What is the family of novel coronavirus? This is Coronaviridae. This is Coronaviridae. Okay, Coronaviridae is the family of novel coronavirus. And next question, name the order of novel coronavirus. This is very, very important also. Okay, order of the novel coronavirus, that is nidovirals. That is nidovirals. Okay, this is the order, not family. Family is Coronaviridae. Okay, this is the systematic position of coronavirus. Family is Coronaviridae and order is nidovirals. Okay, remember this thing very clearly. Next question, what kind of infection is COVID-19? This is zoonotic infection. Okay, and what do you mean by zoonotic? Zoonotic means, in epidemiology, any disease which come from vertebrate animals to humans. Okay, any disease which come from vertebrate animals is known as the zoonotic mode of infection, right? Zoonotic disease means any disease which come from vertebrate animals to human. This is the correct definition. Next, I have already mentioned what is zoonotic infection in the videos. Next, the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan at Hubei province in China. Okay, multiple questions come from this area. Wuhan at which province of China? That is in Hubei province in China. Okay, so called Wuhan coronavirus. First case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, which is in Hubei province in China. Next question. Recently a drug becomes famous for the treatment of COVID-19. Name of this drug, this very famous drug, HCQ, that means hydroxychloroquine. This is the anti-malarial drug actually, and in many cases it is helpful to treat the COVID-19 patients. Okay. Next, recently a clinical trial where blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to a critically infected COVID-19 patients. Name of this clinical trial, okay? That is plasma therapy, very very important, plasma therapy. And in many cases, most of the cases, it is successful. Okay, plasma therapy in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients. Recovered COVID-19 patients because they already have antibodies. Okay, they already have antibodies, and these antibodies are taken from the recovered COVID-19 patients and give it to the infected COVID-19 patients, and it becomes successful at most of the cases, right? This is known as the plasma therapy. Next question. Recently coronavirus vaccine trial starts in United Kingdom. Name of this vaccine, that is Chadox. That is Chadox 1 in COVID-19. Okay, that is Chadox 1 in COVID-19. So that's the important and updated GK question answer on novel coronavirus. I hope this video is helpful. If you really understand this video, then please like, share as much as possible.